All right, let's take this further here on RT International. Now crossing live to former Nigerian presidential contender Adamu Garba joining us live here on RT International. Great to see you today. A very warm welcome to you. You've been listening to the story here on RT. I know you know the story. I mean, just briefly, this guy, Simon Ekpa, born in 1985. They say he's a Nigerian-Finnish lawyer and a political activist. He's accused of essentially running a separatist movement from his home in Finland. And Nigeria has demanded that Finland take measures against this activist. Why does the government see the activist as a threat, Adamu?
Because, you know, what the activist is building on is something that started since 1966 in Nigeria, when we had the first civilian war that is called Biafran War, when some generals in that area decided to want to secede. Then a civil war was ensured, and suddenly there was unity. But most recently, one man that was termed and adjudicated as a terrorist in Nigeria, who is currently serving in Nigeria,
Nigerian authorities have demanded Finland stop an anti-government activist. He has been stirring up tensions online while living in the Nordic country, including calling for a Nigerian region to secede. Nigeria's Inspector General says the African country is taking all possible efforts to deter meddling from abroad, especially ahead of next week's presidential election.
Simon is talking from somewhere in Finland. I'm sure our foreign ministry and the NIA are looking into these issues to see how it can be taken care of. It can be seen as an incitement, it can be seen as an work of somebody who wants to destabilize the nation and so forth.
Now, he wields substantial influence online and has been known to stoke the flames of riots that have erupted in a number of Nigerian cities. He has called for millions of Nigerians to participate in anti-government protests in recent months. Nigeria has even summoned the finish.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Victoria Ogbala TV. I hope everyone watch what is really going on in Africa. Like, this is to prove to you all that even the American citizens, all of them are wicked. Like, they are so wicked, because you cannot tell me that we are going to their country, we are seeing the way they are stabilizing their country, making everything possible for their citizens to be happy. Just look at the color of Ndi Zoo. Like, looking at their color is no different from monkey, is no different from hunger. Like, my American citizens, I want you guys to be always saying the truth, because the truth will set you free. And this Ndi Zoo police officer who is saying they are looking into the matter, there is nothing to look into anything. They are just coming out blabbing just to show the social media that they have the capacity to come out and spill out rubbish. My Biafran people, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.